front of me is Rhino 1 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can change display refresh rate. First of all, you need to open Devices Settings and click on this section here called Display. Now scroll to choose this one, Screen Refresh Rate, and when you're ready, apply any of those options by tapping on the one you wanna. Auto, 60 Hz, 90 Hz, or 120 Hz. Wherever you decided, when you're ready, tap on the back button and your changes will be automatically applied. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!